Try number 3, shut my phone service off and everything, so if anybody tries to call me this time, well, they're SOL. Haven't done a cold start of this truck in a while. Nothing really new going on with it since the last update. Got a few things I got to do to it before I take it into the shop, but hasn't ran in probably about a week. I just realized I've never done a cold start of this thing from the outside of the truck. I've always done the cold start videos in the cab. So we're gonna give this a try. And I know that's not ideal right there. Filming on a shitty iPhone 8, but I'm gonna give this a try. Only revved it a little bit above 2,000 RPM. It, like I say, it's kind of cold. It is 35 out last night, or right now, and it got down to 25 last night. No snow, still pretty green looking grass actually, so that's kind of cool. Get to enjoy some nice but cold weather. I like that. I like it when it's cold, but there's not 8 fucking feet of snow on the ground everywhere. So that's gonna be it. Just firing it up, getting all the electrics turned on, get the windshield wipers going, blower motors going in there. Do a quick walk around, make sure all my lights and everything still work, and they do. They work just fine. So thanks for watching.